Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the accessory adjustment Game Pass on Dress to Impress if you are just too lazy to play those 30 rounds. So select any accessory. I'm just going to select this one. Select the accessory adjustment button. It says play 30 rounds to unlock this feature, or optional 399 Robux to open it. In my opinion, I think you should just play the 30 rounds. If I'm being honest, I did that and it wasn't that difficult. So to purchase, you're just going to select this one and it will show this, and that is how you can purchase the optional accessory adjustment Game Pass. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.